Hey guys, it's RobinNoodles1259, and today we're going to be destroying a MacBook Pro that I found. It doesn't work, trust me, it doesn't. It's already really cracked. We already took out everything in the inside of it though, so like the hard drive's out of here. There's a bunch of stuff it's pretty much just the shell, but there's a lot of stuff still in it though. But we were gonna think about fixing it, but then we realized it costs too much just to fix one. But it is a MacBook Pro. You can see it there, MacBook Pro. So we're gonna do another Sledgehammer video. Yeah, it's gonna be great. I really hope this recording doesn't fail, because if it does, I just wasted a MacBook Pro. But we're probably gonna get into this. But check out my sister's channel. They're up there staring at me. Hey, Taco Cat. Yeah, that's her YouTube channel. She's up there. I have to give her a shout out, or she's gonna mess up my video. So yeah, I'm destroying that thing. But yeah, really hope you enjoy this video. I hope it doesn't go wrong, because if it does, wasted one of these things. Oh yeah, I'll tell you where I found it. I found it at the lake nearby. It's like that way. There's a lake, and someone probably threw it out of their window or something. Probably was stolen, but got badly destroyed. So let's just hit it, and yeah, I'll just open it up first. No, I'll just hit it from the outside. Let's see how strong these things are. Let's do this. Dang. Oh dang, that got crushed right there. So bad about it now. Oh dang! Woo! Probably should have brought some protective stuff out here. This screen is coming off. It is a little flattened. It's a little more broken. I'm gonna open it up and just hit the screen and everything. Oh, just broke it. Just broke that little thing right there. Let's do this. Dang, this thing is hard. Oh, just cracked it. Jeez. This thing's flat. Dang, this back plate's coming off. Other things that is coming. Dang. Look at this sucker. Scratched so much. It's broken. This thing's bright. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna break these two things apart. Let's do this. Ah! Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be picking all this up later, so it doesn't go into the environment like an animal eats it, but oh my gosh. Ah! There's lots of screen everywhere. Chunk of the screen flying everywhere. Jeez. Is it apart now? Dang it. Look, it's brand new. Scammers be like, it's brand new. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. This screen's coming off. Oh, that's a screen protector. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Come around, tell me that. Look at that. Screen came right off. Still recording, right? Yeah. Oh, thank God. Whew. Oh my gosh. Look at this sucker. Oh my gosh. Woo! See if we can get an inside of it. Ah! This is an 8-pound sledgehammer. Oh crap, there's a spider. Ah, this thing's hard. Oh, little thing here came off. What is this? Ah. That's what that is? You know the little touchpad thing that's on there? They like you move your finger around to make it. This thing is strong. Jesus. It's really hard. It's crazy. Hey, I'm gonna keep some of this. That's really cool. I'm gonna keep this on my shelf as like to remember this. That's cool right there. I'm gonna put this right under the tripod. Oh yeah, this is the back. So it looks cool. We're getting in. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh, this thing's crazy. Okay, this is coming hot now. Oh, look, it closed itself. It's good as new. Look at this thing. Why buy a new one when you could buy a perfectly good one? Right here, look at this. It just has a couple dents. The screen's beautiful. It smells bad, jeez. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh crap, I thought the top was gonna fall off. It's a beautiful working one. Jeez. It's crazy. Next I want to find an iPad. I want to find an iPad on the street. That'd be fun. Find an iPad. This is gonna make all the keys come out. Hopefully. I'm gonna keep the G key because that's my initial. Jeez. This thing is crazy. It still has a lot of stuff in there. No, I thought there was a plant growing in here. Ever wanted to know what's inside of this thing? Yeah, look at that. It's crazy. Jeez. Probably not safe. Oh. Oh, crap. Not gonna be touching the inside of that thing. The battery in that thing. I think it was already taken out though. Ah! Look at this. This is metal. This is good too. I'm gonna use this for another video. I don't know how, but I will. Anyway, now we can get to the soft part. Hope this thing doesn't blow up. Do they blow up? Good, now you guys can see it hopefully. Oh, yeah. Don't worry, this thing will hopefully get recycled. Oh dang, I'm just tapping this sucker. I'm just tapping it and it's going flying. Oh dang, that's the cool down disc. Thing that cools it down. And then it goes spinning like crazy. It's a fan that cools it. Oh, that looks cool. Hey, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. I'll smash it another time. Ah! Oh, it's a flip. I do that a 9 out of 10. That was a 9 out of 10 flip. Yeah, that's a good flip. Yeah, that's a beautiful, beautiful MacBook Pro. Ah. Yeah, that's a wrap. I'll probably. Well, that's it, guys. I destroyed a MacBook Pro. That sucker is destroyed. Oh, yeah. Look at this sucker. Yeah, it's messed up. Yeah, look at that. That thing. Maybe. Oh, that came out. Dang. The heck? If you ever want to know what the screen was, this is it. Can you see through it, or is it just a reflection? Oh yeah, I can't see through it. Interesting. It's crazy. Yeah, it's weird. Whew. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Just hit that red button down below that says subscribe. And yeah, if you want to, you could hit the thumbs up button too. That'd be cool. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.